And I pray, Father, that the debate on a code of conduct of religious leaders starts in this country.
And UCC has recovered the footages and recordings of his utterances, and they are being studied. And if UCC confirms that they offend the minimum broadcasting standards which are in the law, then appropriate action will be taken.
Joseph Kabuleta, who is also a pastor, has been in jail for 4 days for offensive communication. In fact, released without a charge. For this one, you're only warning him to stop offensively communicating.
It's not the first time, but he has persistently manifested a wrong and pastoral character, where we are all led now to conclude that he surely is not a called pastor. He is a self-proclaimed pastor, because